Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not Spocket is a worldwide company. Before I get into that, I want to take a moment to thank you all for your support. I've been getting a lot of great feedback on my videos lately, and it really means a lot to me. So back to the topic at hand. Is Spocket worldwide? What is Spocket? For those of you who are not familiar with Spocket, it is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from other companies without having to carry any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an online business or to add new products to your existing store. Is Spocket worldwide? The short answer is yes. Spocket is available in over 100 countries. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. First, not all products are available in all countries. This is because Spocket has different suppliers in different regions. Second, the shipping costs can vary depending on the product and the destination country. Third, some countries have import restrictions that may prevent you from selling certain products. How to use Spocket? If you're interested in using Spocket, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to create a Spocket account. Once you have an account, you can start browsing products. When you find a product you want to sell, you can add it to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, you'll need to provide your shipping address and payment information. Spocket will then ship the product directly to your customer. Pros and cons of using Spocket. There are a few pros and cons to using Spocket. Pros. You don't have to carry any inventory yourself. You can sell products from all over the world. Spocket handles all of the shipping and returns for you. You can get discounts on bulk orders. Cons. Not all products are available in all countries. The shipping costs can vary depending on the product and the destination country. Some countries have import restrictions that may prevent you from selling certain products. Overall, I think Spocket is a great platform for dropshipping. It's easy to use and it gives you access to a wide variety of products. However, it's important to be aware of the limitations before you sign up. If you're looking for a way to start an online business or to add new products to your existing store, I highly recommend checking out Spocket.